What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another Gemini Jets airport update. I'm sorry I haven't been uploading recently, but I am starting the new schedule, so every Tuesday and Friday at 3:30 Mountain Daylight Time, I will be doing a airport update or a model review or something along those lines. But if you do like content like that, make sure you hit that big red subscribe button and turn the notification bell on so you do not miss future uploads. This airport update is a subscriber route update, so a Gemini Jet subscriber route update. There are no new models yet, but I have 8 on the way, so that's exciting. So yeah, we'll start off. There's 2 terminals, so this one right in front of you, which would be the heavy or the international terminal, and the other one's a domestic. So yeah, we'll start off with this Hawaiian Airbus A330-200. This will be pushing back and will be heading out to Vancouver, Canada, or Mango's Aviation's airport. Next, we have a Hawaiian Airbus A330-200. This gorgeous aircraft is in the new livery and will be heading out to Oahu North Shore, or Hawaiian Air 2121's airport. Next, we have a gorgeous United 787-10. This aircraft will be heading out to Newark. So we'll be pushing back in about 15 minutes for a flight out to Newark, or the United Flights airport. Although there are no new models, I did put in some aircrafts from like ones that I had just in boxes that I haven't been using because some people requested that airplane. So kind of like this one. Here we have a Air Canada 787-8. This aircraft is in the older mint livery, which I do wish they kept. I love the mint livery. It's way better than the new one. But anyway, this aircraft will be heading out to Toronto Pearson's airport, or Ryan 8611's airport. Just pulling into the gate, we have a WestJet 737 MAX 8. This aircraft just arrived in from Vancouver, or Danglio Brick Walls Brewel's Aviation's airport. That was a long name. I think I pronounced most of that right. But yeah, just arrived in from Vancouver. Starting off at the narrow body terminal, we have a United Boeing 737-800. This aircraft will be heading out to CIA, a fictional airport. This is fly.cia's airport on Instagram. Here we have a United Boeing 737-800. This aircraft is in the new livery and will be departing out to LAX, or JD's Aviation's airport. And here we have a United Airbus A319. This aircraft will be heading out to Des Moines, or aviation_DSM on Instagram. And then it just arrived in from Tampa, or JP's Aviation's airport. Then we have a United Express E175. This aircraft will be heading out to Hilton Head Islands Airport, or David Aviation's airport, but it just arrived in from Raleigh-Durham, or Gemini Jet's 231's airport. Then we have a Southwest Boeing 737-700. This aircraft is in the new livery and will be heading out to San Jose, or Boeing 21159's airport. Then we have a Southwest 737-700. This aircraft is in the Colorado 1 livery. This aircraft will be heading out to Tulsa, or Gemini Jet's FAM's airport. Last, at the narrow body gate, we have a JetBlue Airbus A320. This aircraft is in the Blueberry's tail and will be heading out to, let me find it really quick. We'll be heading out to Fort Lauderdale, or Airspace Aviation's airport. Just taxiing past the United gates and Southwest gates, So the narrow body terminal, we have a Delta Boeing 737-800. This aircraft is in the new livery. Wait, never mind. This will be heading out to JFK, or Aviation JFK's airport. Just in front of the Delta, we have a Alaska Airbus A320. This aircraft is in the new livery and will be heading out to Seattle, or Neo Aviation's airport. Here, parked at the hard stands, we have a Frontier Airbus A320. This aircraft is in the Bluebird livery, I think is what they call it. This aircraft will be departing out to Las Vegas, or Aviation in Vegas's airport. Then we have a American Boeing 737-800. This aircraft is in the One World livery and will be heading out to Guayaquil, which is a fictional airport, or Primera_airport on Instagram. Just taking off from the runway here, we have a Southwest 737-800. This aircraft is in the Canyon Blue livery and will be heading out to Susan City International, or Aiden_1549 on Instagram. First in line for departure, pulling on to runway 2, we have a Sun Country Boeing 737-800. This aircraft will be departing out to MSP, or MSP Model Airport on Instagram. Here we have a United Boeing 737-900. This aircraft is in the Continental Airlines Retro livery and will be departing out to Newark, or RM Aviation and Travels Airport. Third in line for departure, here we have a JetBlue Airbus A320. This aircraft is in the I Heart New York livery and will be heading out to JFK, or JBU 209's airport. Here we have a Southwest Boeing 737-700. This aircraft is in the Triple Crown 1 livery and will be departing out to Pittsburgh, or Crown Vic 8888's airport. The last aircraft in this airport update is a Delta Airbus A220. This aircraft will be heading out to Salt Lake City, or Fly Salt Lake City on Instagram. So a quick overview. So right here we have the international terminal, and we have the domestic terminal with 2 aircraft taxiing. Then we have the hard stands over there. Then we had the taxiing aircrafts right there. So yeah, I'd like to thank you guys so much for watching this airport update. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe by turning the subscribe by hitting that big red subscribe button and turning the notification bell on so you do not miss future videos that I make. Also, there will be a giveaway in the future, as I have mentioned in previous videos. I'm not quite sure yet when. I'm thinking at 3K subs I'll do a giveaway if I hit that. So I'd like to thank you guys all for the support I've been getting recently. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next airport update. Actually, the next video will be a Hawaiian Airlines collection. I did just order a few more Hawaiian aircraft, so that I'm not sure if it'll be there by Tuesday, but hopefully. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.